morning students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gulabazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. As you all know students, we are making revisional video for your upcoming examination, and in the series of revision, from yesterday I have started a practice time. And today is the part 2 of our practice time. Today we will cover some fill in the blanks type of questions, and we will practice today of that questions. So let us start students. Question number first is dash also lets you copy data. Question number first is dash also lets you copy data from a CD to a computer. Okay, look at the question. The question is dash also lets you copy data from a CD to a computer. Tell me students, what will you feel here? I am giving you 3 options. Okay, option number first is MS Office. Option number second is Windows Media Player, and option number third is date and time. Okay, tell me students, which option is the right answer? If you know the answer of this question, write your answer in the comment box, and if you don't know, look at the board. Students, option number second, look at the option number second, Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is a special type of program that is used to organize digital media files such as audios, videos and so on. And Windows Media Player is also used to copy data in a CD or DVD. Okay, so here you have to fill Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player. This is the right answer. Windows Media Player also lets you copy data from a CD to a computer. Okay, from a CD to a computer. One more thing students, when we copy data from a computer to a CD, that is called burning. Okay, that is called burning. And when we copy data from a CD to a computer, that is called ripping. Okay, remember it students. When we copy data from computer to a CD, that is called burning. And when we copy data from a CD to computer, this is called ripping. Clear everyone? Now come to the question number second. Okay, let me erase this. Student, these questions are very important. You have to learn daily, okay? If you want to gain maximum marks in your examination, then you have to learn daily, okay? Okay students, now come to the question number second. Question number second is clicking on the dash begin the installation process, okay? Begin the installation process. Okay. Question number second is clicking on the, okay. Question number second is clicking on the dash begin the installation process. Okay, clicking on the dash begins the installation process. Students, I have explained in my previous video. When you will click on the setup file, okay, setup file, then it start the installation process. Okay, you have to fill here setup file. Students, if you want to install any application in your computer system, then first of all you need to data, and then after you have to insert a CD of that application that you want to install in your computer system. You need that CD, and after inserting CD, just you have to open that file. There you have to search the setup file, and when you will get setup file, just you have to click over it, and after the clicking of setup files, it will start the installation process. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question, that is question number third. Okay, in this question you have to fill setup files. अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपको दिखता है क्लिकिंग ऑन द डैश begins the installation process, just you have to fill their setup file. जब आप setup फाइल पे क्लिक करते हैं तो इंस्टॉलेशन शुरू हो जाता है, ठीक है? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. Okay, now come to the question number third. Question number third is, tell me the answer of this question. Dash is used to make changes to various settings of a computer system. Okay, I am going to write here dash. Okay, dash is used to make changes. Dash is used to make changes to various settings. Make changes to various setting, okay, various setting of a computer system. Tell me students, what will you feel here? The question is, dash is used to make changes to various setting of a computer system. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में किसी तरह की कोई सेटिंग करनी है तो उसके लिए आपको किस एप्लीकेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है? होगा? The right answer is control पैनल. ओके, अगर आपको कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में किसी भी प्रकार की कोई सेटिंग करनी है, ठीक है, तो आप कहाँ से करेंगे? कंट्रोल पैनल से. देयर आर 6 कैटेगरीज इन कंट्रोल पैनल. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज कीबोर्ड एंड माउस सेटिंग, इफ यू वांट टू अनइंस्टॉल एनी प्रोग्राम, or if you want to set date and time setting, then you will use control panel. Okay, in this question you have to fill control panel, that is used to make changes to various setting of your computer system. Clear everyone? Now come to the question number 4. Okay, students, question number 4 is clock and region category. Clock and region category is used to change the dash setting. Okay, students, question number 4 is clock and region category is used to change the dash setting. Okay, here you have to fill date and time setting. Date and time setting. Student, this is a part of control panel. Clock and region category, this is a type of category of control panel from where you can change the date and time of your computer system. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question, that is question number 5, and this will be your last question of this session. Clear? Let me register. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Student, question number 5 is removing a program. Okay, removing a program, from a computer, removing a program from a computer system is called dash. Tell me students, what will you feel here? Removing a program from a computer system is called. Tell me what is the right answer? Uninstalling. The right answer is uninstalling. Okay. Student, when you add some application in your computer system, that is called installing. Okay? When you add any application or software in the computer system, that is called installing. Okay? And if you remove any application or software, that is called uninstalling in computer system. Clear? So the right answer of this question is uninstalling. Removing मतलब बाहर निकालना. Removing a program from a computer system is called uninstalling. And adding a program in a computer system is called installing. Okay? Now students, the next question, that is true or false, I will explain tomorrow in the session of part 3. Okay? Bye bye everyone. Goodbye.